everyone, Prince of Sin here, along with my lovely assistant, you know her best as Texas Cheese! And look what she's wearing.
Yep, my Aussie apron. Ta-da, 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 ta-da.
Okay, Goofy. And it's been a while since we've done a cooking video because very soon we're going to be doing it in different quarters. But we are now going to be making a strawberry pie.
You strawberries, yay! Strawberries,
But you gotta say it like this, strawberry pie. Because, you know, Princess Sin here loves pie.
So let me try it. Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
Strawberry pie.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yay! All right.
But this is not just an ordinary strawberry pie, folks. If you are familiar with Bob's Big Boy, the famous California restaurant, not only here but spread in other various states, then you know that they do make a killer strawberry pie. And how do they make it? With those big, juicy, fat California strawberries, only grown in California. And yes, Giselle and I have seen plenty of strawberry fields, and growing up, that's all we used to have is strawberry fields until houses decided to take over. Yeah, but we're not going to get into that. So anyway, we're going to make a duplicate Bob's Big Boy strawberry pie, and we only hope and pray that it will be just as good as if it were Bob's Big Boy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go over the ingredients real quick, and we'll go from there. Alright folks, so here we go with the main ingredients, and of course the star of the ingredients is right here. Look at those strawberries, and yes, those are genuine California strawberries. How did we find them? It wasn't hard, but Dollar General does carry them. Also Smart and Final, because a lot of their produce does come from California.
Those are actually from Smart and Final.
Including, don't forget folks, Valencia oranges and tangerines, which are hard to get in Arizona, also come from Smart and Final. But anyway, these are it. These are genuine California strawberries. Now we've already washed them. You want to wash them, and you want to remove the green bushings off the back there. See how we've done that?
Mm-hmm. And make sure they're completely dry.
Yes, you want to make sure they're completely dry, and of course you want to make sure they're pretty ripe. I mean, look at that one. That's a big, red, juicy one. Ooh, makes me want to eat it.
Stop it.
The second ingredient you want is strawberry glaze. Any kind will do. Big tub like this should be enough. If you need more, you can always buy more. And a pie crust, just like this. Now this was a frozen pie crust. We've already pre-cooked it. Follow the instructions on the packaging on how to prepare the pie crust. You want frozen pie crust, you want to bake for about 7 to 10 minutes at 375. You can see it's already pre-baked, so it's ready to go.
Mm-hmm. Unless you're one of the fanatics and you make your own pie crust.
You can do that too. I mean, whatever works. If you want to buy them already made, or if you want to make your own crust, whatever works for you. Alright? So, with all that doing now, we will begin creating the famous strawberry pie. Alright, step one, folks. We're going to pretend like we're making a little pizza here.
Now we've let this crust cool down.
Yep.
Now it is ready for...
And yeah, see, it's nice and cool.
Okay.
So we're going to take a spoonful of this glaze, put it on there. We're going to spread it around. Just pretend you're making like a pizza, folks. The idea is you want the bottom covered.
Put another scoop, maybe.
Oh yeah. So you can get a little more of this in there. And take a little more. The idea is you want to get these walls too as best as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. They have to hold your pie too so it doesn't go anywhere.
That's why I got the hot holder underneath it.
And there you go. Just like that. Now the next step is to take your strawberries, doesn't matter how, you're going to put them upside down like this. Just start putting them around. Trying to pick the more riper ones. So start by making a little circle here. You get that. So it looks like that. And get our middle here. Now as you're adding strawberries, the idea is you want to try to create like a little pyramid. So as you're adding them, you're going to add the glaze. The idea is you want the strawberries completely covered with the glaze. Bigger ones are probably the toughest ones to cover, folks. And then you want to kind of fill these little gaps like this. See how I'm doing that? Now, take the rest of our strawberries, just kind of add on like this. A little half one.
Pile it up. Not on. Over towards the middle.
That's what I'm doing. Last one. I know. I don't think we had enough here. Actually, put that one there. That one there. Just like that, kind of like that. What do you think? Texas G wants to make just a little bit of an adjustment. Yeah, you're gonna make them fall, hun. Right there. That's about good. Now we just take the rest of the glaze, kind of dopple it on there.
There's no more on the side.
I'm getting it. Okay, folks, while we get this finished off, we'll pause it for a moment and we'll get right back to you. I realize it's not a perfect pyramid, folks, but these are some big ass strawberries, so we got to go with what we work with. To make it more perfect, you kind of take your spoon and just kind of fill in the cracks and crevices, and then just kind of smear the glaze around, and then voila, there you have it. A replica of Bob's Big Boy's famous strawberry pie. I'm sorry, pie. That looks good enough to eat, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. But you can either consume it now, or for the best results, chill it for a couple of hours, because then it'll get nice and cold. The strawberry glaze will stay nice and firm on there. But yeah, there you have it. Strawberry pie, Bob's Big Boy style. Oh, and we even got some gel left over, see? You know what the best part about this is? Lick the spoon. So, we're going to let the pie cool, and then, or actually not cool, but we're going to chill it. We'll bring it out, and we'll try it ourselves. So, till the pie is cool, we'll cut for now. Now tell me, folks, does that not look delicious?
Yummy!
We let it refrigerate overnight because that's the best time to have it, is when it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're gonna cut ourselves a couple of slices. That's the challenging part. I couldn't even do it with the Bob's Big Boy pie. It's challenging because you got all those strawberries in the way, so this is gonna be fun. So we're gonna actually cut the camera off while we do that part. Bob's Big Boy, I can't desecrate you, but that is so good. But trust me, it's just as good as yours. I will always honor the Big Boy. Success, folks! You can kind of see how Giselle cut a perfect slice there. And then you just take the remaining strawberries and just kind of pile them around there and just help yourself. But there you are. Bob's Big Boy's duplicate strawberry pie. So, hope you enjoy. Subscribe for more. Chris Passel. If you're watching, there you go. More food videos. But soon in the future, they'll be in a different location. So, for Princess Sin and Texas G,
Texas G!
this is Princess Sin saying goodbye for now.